Hi, it's me, Ollie, and I've been looking for a job because I'm broke. So I found this really cool job at an animal hospital, and it pays really well. I've played these games before. Oh yeah, hey, what's up? We all know you have an appointment, alright? Okay. And it was easy, so why not? So let's get right into the video. Alright, today guys, we're gonna be playing Animal Hospital. Woo! Yo, this purple guy low-key look like me though. Well, I don't know. Let's play. Is any? Oh, okay, this white guy. Okay. Well, he's got that under control. Bro, shift your face, man. So big. Whatever, anyways. I'll just do this. Boom, bada bop, bada pop, pop, pop. Okay. Take that. Wait, what's his name? Whoa. Hey, dude. Wanna check in? Bro, did you get the herbs from? Oh, the doctor's here. Bro, do you realize the doctor doesn't do anything? He comes in and says, if things get strange, just continue working. Like, that is not advice, bro. You should just keep working. Like, bro. Like, that's not advice. That's right. See what? See, I'm gonna do this. Just watch the road. Bro, come on. Well, it's fine, I guess. That guy is an anomaly. I mean, did you see his eyes? This purple guy was blocking me, but that's fine. Okay, we gotta. Is he normal? Let me check real quick. Okay, he's good. He's good, guys. Don't close the shutters again. He's good. Trust me. Oh wait, it's Matthew, bro. The goat. Oh my god. You hear things, you see things. What do you see? My legs? Okay. I know it's a dangerous job. Let's get you ready. Let's get you ready for surgery. Alright. You're done, bro. You can go down. Room 5. Peace, Wrath. Oh my god, no. He's gotta be an anomaly. Oh my god. He looks so disordered. No. I'm not helping you, bro. Leave. Get out of here. Good. You left. Which camera is down? This guy is pretty normal. He's fine. Nothing's wrong with him. So, let me just close that. Okay, start. Ooh, good though. So, what? Oh. Alright guys, I'm getting some coffee. Woo! My sanity is like... Why? I think... Wait, is there anybody coming? Nobody's coming, no! Bruh. Oh wait, the doctor's here? Wait. Wait, I know this. Wait, okay, I'll be back. I wanna show you guys something. I'm gonna stand here and just look here. Look, that's me! Bro, that's me! Bro! Now you guys finally see my fit. Bro, I'm too broke. Can't buy. Guys, watch this. I'm gonna be best. Watch this. Look. See that, bro? See? My guesses are never wrong. Alright, it's time for surgery. Guys, please do not mess this up. I beg you. Okay, what do we have? Let's see. IV drops. Okay, IV drops. No, he already got it. Bandage. Bro, where's this? Okay, he's there. Oh, he did it. Oh, transplant. Where's... Oh, so blind, bro. There already. Medkit. Oh, get the medkit. Do that. Easy. Wait. Oh, bro. No. That was not me. I know it. I promise you. Wait, what do you say? Stupid? Don't be toxic. Wait, bro, what happened? Oh my god. Guess that treated this patient's ASAP. Holy crap. Wait, what? What? Oh my... Jeez. Bro, leave me alone. You're so annoying. Look, what? That's why I died last time. Hey, let's get to treating this case. Why are you spraying? Just treat the patient. Stop spraying whatever, you know that is. And then... just go treat other patients instead. Bro, did you poop on yourself? I mean, what? Bro, there's slime all. Alright, let me just treat this. Bro, who killed a patient? Nah, okay, well. Well, that was the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And, well, peace. I'll be posting more content. Bye.